And welcome back, everyone, on the Decod3rs channels for a new developer show, your monthly technical, but not too much show. The high level, technical stuff about blockchain and everything Web3, because that's what we want to talk about. Everything about Web3 is cool. And for that, Mitchell is with me. Mitchell.
Good evening. You can say Mitchell. No problem.
Exactly. GM, bro. Good evening, but GM, it's GM somewhere in the world, right?
Always GM. Doesn't matter what time.
Exactly. And Rish, how are you doing, bro? GM.
Yeah, what's up, guys? Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, or whatever you are. Yes, nice to be back for our second episode of the Dev Show.
Exactly. Yeah, let's go. Ramo is can be here because he's traveling to America for some work-related reason. And George, who will be the fifth Apocalypse nice. Also, we will be five people on this show now from Smithy, because I like the streams that we did together, and we can I just wanted to have a show with him every month. But also we will have bi-weekly show, so not twice a week, but every 2 weeks. This bi-weekly word is bullshit, but bi-weekly show or bi-monthly. Can you say that? Bi-monthly? Yeah, it's the same thing, right? Can you say it?
But no, bi-weekly just means every 2 weeks.
Yeah. Now it means both, bro. It means both. It means every 2 months and every 2 weeks.
I've never heard it used to mean twice a week.
Is it?
Does it really? I don't know.
I think every 2 weeks or twice a week. Yeah, see, bro. But okay. Share this tab. I'm not joking. I'm not joking.
Bi-weekly, every 2 weeks or twice a week. See? You're right.
See?
Yeah, you're right. I've never heard it used that way though.
This is weird. Why would you have it two different meanings?
Then
exactly. And so I'm
it's
pretty
completely
sure
useless because it doesn't tell you anything.
Yeah.
Exactly. Okay. See, once every 2 months, twice a month.
Okay, so you can say it, and then you have a good reason to just don't show up.
But okay, so there's that. So yeah, welcome to the English grammar show too. Yeah, that's what we do.
IT is just Googling everything.
ChatGPT now, the next step is ChatGPT everything.
Yeah.
I don't use Google, man. I'm using ChatGPT.
Okay, now I have a dev question, because if ChatGPT-4 looks up something on the internet, it uses Bing. Does that mean that Bing is now becoming better in search optimization than Google?
Probably allows more customization, and you can specify more things on searching there. Yeah. Google is kind of for just easier user experience.
Yeah. So Google is losing thanks to ChatGPT.
And also OpenAI is basically a Microsoft company, so there is that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so Bing shares on the search engine. Oh shit, search engine market is growing because of ChatGPT.
I think so. I never checked it, but it's a good question to ask on some companies.
And plus, okay, that's an excellent topic. Also, for user acquisition, you can create a ChatGPT bot to talk about what you do, and then people can use your GPT for doing something, but you sell your product via ChatGPT.
Yeah, just have ChatGPT promote the videos from Decod3rs.
Bullish.
That would be cool.
That's bullish, bro. Oh, what's up, all the rooms? Welcome back on the chat. Welcome back on the channel, all the room. Thank you so much for being here. And see, this morning with Jake, we had 100 viewers, and it's coming from Twitter. And see, all the room is coming from Twitter. It's working. I don't know if it's because I paid for the decoders.
No, never is. It is just organic, and people just like the view.
I canceled the subscription because I wanted to have affiliate account, and you have to pay fucking 1,000 a month for that. It's not included in the 200 subscription, so I can't even read, bro. Like I wanted to have the affiliate one, and then I need to upgrade that shit. But we're still on the organized icon, so maybe that's why. I'm both, yeah, but the golden badge looks cool. Yeah, I know, but that's gonna disappear soon. But if we keep having like Twitter viewers, maybe not. But yeah, GM, MQ, you're wrong. I'm sorry. Biweekly, it's once every 2 weeks, plus every 2 months. I'm sorry.
He's wrong and he's good.
Yeah. So yeah, it's
right. Sorry, he's right.
Yeah, it's wrong too.
Yeah.
It's a Schrödinger world.
Schrödinger's cat. He's alive and he's dead.
Amumu, GM Amumu, we love you. Please change your PFP to Decod3rs PFP. Thank you. Okay, let's start the show after that. But no. Okay, we can come back to ChatGPT and SEO. Okay, because Mitchell, like you work for SEO, right? So we can start with that topic. What? Oh no, it's a good topic. It's fun.
It's a good topic.
Yeah, because Web3 SEO kind of sucks, right?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. Why? Oh, GM Vicky. See, Vicky, she didn't have the PFP. See, she was this morning with Jack. She went in the chat. I say, hey, please, Vicky, update your PFP. And then she, oh yeah, I need to leave YouTube to change my PFP. And then tonight, boom, we are taking over YouTube. I'm telling you. Okay, so SEO in Web3.
Well, the first question is, do the people in Web3 come from websites and through search engines?
No. It's dangerous. You shouldn't really, right?
You should only trust people who give you Discord invites.
True. But like, okay, even for like, for us, it makes even more sense because Google can catch. For me, SEO is not even for people, it's for Google to rank us better, even on YouTube.
Yeah, and Google can also add decoder videos in the Google search results.
Exactly.
So if people Google is the Magic Eden wallet better than Phantom, that is the moment that Decoder can have a video on there where it explains.
Like, yes. Okay, that's even better. Okay, so right now I'm trying to have site links. Like, look, Pudgy Penguins. I want that. I want site links like that. I want that because that looks good. And okay. I have to tell you the whole story about that. Okay. Let's go back to it. Because I've done like a call with, and also it clicked because Mitchell, like you are also like SEO guys, so everything all together makes so much sense for Web3. And I promise you, we're gonna talk about like the dev part of it, the technical part of it. Okay, guys. So I had a call with Gride, who own like one of the who is a Decod holders. Who has like one of the biggest company in SEO, and we talk blah blah because I knew he was working about like a bot and AI to optimize SEO, AI bot to optimize SEO and to like increase that and stuff. So I saw his tweet. I said, "Oh, bro, banker, we need to call. We need to have a call." 6 months later, because we are both busy, we have that call, and like we talk about like stuff, etc., around SEO, and he said this project makes so much sense even for you because you have YouTube videos and stuff, and you can use SEO for YouTube content to then the YouTube algo that will also catch up on your video because everything is linked all together, right? So for decoders, it makes so much sense. And then we took a couple of example, and Pudgy Penguins is executing pretty well because they have like clean stuff like that. Like again, OpenSea also is killing it. So yeah, like you see all of that. It's neat. Like, and for example, like Decod, that sucks.
Yeah, that's bad.
That's bad. Like,
But on the other hand, how many pages are can be indexed by Google on the website? How many pages are public on Decod's website?
The problem also is like they're using a shit ton of subdomains. Like for example, Point Parlor, it's a new domain. Like see, like okay, so you can see it like parlor.dxyz. They change website every 2 weeks. Like for example, okay, so this one is Decod3rs.com, and this one is parlor.dxyz, and all of that you have to redo your own SEO all the fucking time.
Yeah,
and that's why I merged app.decoders.com to Decoders, because if we, like people are watching these streams on Decoders on the website, so basically they're spending hours on our website, and Google loves that.
Yes, but for indexing, if the website is not available for the bot, then it cannot be indexed.
True. Everything is, I think everything, I've checked that, I hope. I think all of the pages now are indexable.
I didn't check everything yet, but...
Oh, okay, we can fix that. But I think it can help, because like even for Pudgy Penguins, it makes sense to increase the SEO, because they want to push Walmart, Instagram and stuff, right? All of that is linked.
Yeah.
Right. Oh, that's cool. That's good. Okay. And Risha, what do you think about, like, do you think it's a product by itself?
Yeah, for if you're doing any type of content creation and all of that, then yeah, it makes sense. But if you're starting an exchange or any sort of like type of application where you have to connect your wallet and sign transaction, I don't think people are going to come mainly from just searching you on Google. They'll likely go to your Twitter profile and then go from the bio just to be safe. Because there's, for every legitimate website, there's 15 that just have a different letter in the URL.
Yeah. Plus
if you sign a transaction there, you lose everything.
Yeah, but that is still right now when most people are technical people. Most of my customers, when I say go to a website, they go to Google and type the URL into Google and then choose the link in Google, because I've tried to explain them so many times. Just instead of going to google.nl and search the URL, put it in the google.nl where you put it in the address bar, and they don't do it. So I think as soon as Solana starts growing more and more people come in that are not as technical as we are, then the search engine optimization will help a lot.
Solana.
Like for example, I just recommended a wallet to be used with Trezor to the person that asked me how I'm able to use Solana with my Trezor, and I recommended the NuFi wallet. And he, instead of going to Twitter to the verified profile and downloading the wallet from there, he downloaded it from Google. And once he connected his Trezor, he connected it, unlocked it, and it asked him to do a firmware update. So if we confirm that, he would lose everything, because it would install malicious firmware and steal his seed.
Yeah.
So that's one great example of why you shouldn't trust Google when it comes to like wallets and applications. I don't think if there's a better way to do it than just going and searching it on Twitter and just hoping that the verified profile on Twitter is the actual one that you're supposed to use.
Yeah, but when people understand that going to Twitter, people will create fake Twitter accounts.
Yeah, that's why the verification on Twitter is kind of important.
Yeah.
Because you wouldn't be spending $1,000 a month to have a fake Twitter profile. It can happen, but it's much less likely than just having a fake website on Google.
Yeah, okay, so like if you do that, you're sponsored.
Yeah, and when you scroll a bit down, you have the explanation here and the questions.
Yeah.
At the top right now, those are done with search engine optimization with SEO as well. Not those two. Those are advertisements. These.
Oh, that?
You have the two of the most common ways, and people also ask those questions. Those can be yours, because if you open a question, you see the website that has it.
Nerdwallet.com. What the fuck is that shit? Yeah, so
Yeah.
that basically those kind of apps, like they make it good. Yeah, bro, like I think there is a huge vertical for us to do that. Because if you can, like, how to buy NFT. Oh, Investopedia. Okay, we have to beat Investopedia. That's good luck with
will
that.
be hard. But you see the videos. This is what we want to see.
OpenSea, Wealth Hack, yeah.
And those are very old videos too.
Yeah,
like
true.
3-year-old videos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, like obviously, like it's hard to compete at that level of SEO, right? But again, like you can, for me, for decoders, I think it's like it makes sense in a way of like having YouTube catching up on the Google algorithm and then like create an authority of decoders as a NFT entity. And for example, like I did something, I don't know if it's smart. Yeah, see, okay. So see, Smithy solution for Solana project. I kind of see that. And then I renamed the channel. Can I copy that? The Watch the Herb YouTube channel. See, like I renamed that. And now when you're going here, you can see that. I have no idea if that counts, but I want to position like Watch to Earn, blah, blah, blah. It's cool.
We can't see your screen if you're trying to show anything.
Shit. Yeah. I didn't press the button. Okay. Let's get back to it. I can. Yes. See, Smithy solution for Solana project. So I saw that, and then I renamed Decoders the Watch to Earn YouTube channel. And now, if you go here, if you go to like the YouTube homepage and stuff, so you can see Decoders the Watch to Earn. It's cool. I love that. So that get picked up in the algorithm, Mitchell?
Yeah, eventually it will, but you also need views for your videos and people to watch longer. And but we discussed it last time, and I said it's a snowball effect. So as soon as one side starts, and the other side will grow as well.
Yes,
you will get more visitors will get you higher, and etc.
Yeah,
and even if it's hard to compete right now, and how to buy an NFT was a good example. Maybe and I don't know, Mad Lads is one of the bigger projects at the moment, and people want to know how to buy a Mad Lad. So you can use a long tail keyword and don't promote videos how to buy NFTs, but use videos how to buy a Mad Lad NFT. And then you will start ranking higher, easier. And when you have a good video, you can then start promoting and use it to get on the shorter terms.
See, that's cool. I love that.
It's built a lot.
It's a lot of work, but and it's a lot of optimization, but that can pay in the future, that for sure. GM Caps, do you know what I'm going to ask you, Caps?
Change the profile picture.
Yeah, Caps. Yes. If you want some love from us, you need to update your PFP on YouTube to a little Decoders PFP. But don't leave the streams. If you have to leave the streams, don't do it. Do it later. I know. See, I know. I see. Culture, bro. Let's take over YouTube.
You need to build a bot that recognizes decoder PFPs and gives them an extra multiplier.
Ooh.
Like 1.1 times the earning rate for everyone who's using the PFP.
Okay. Oh, why is it not showing? Refresh?
You will likely need to
please
enter the stream again.
It's like PFP stacking, like the PFP stacking on Twitter that people were using. Yep. PFP stack.
Yeah, and if you have all the accounts connected as well, then you could recognize Discord PFP, YouTube PFP, and a Twitter PFP. And for each of those, you can get a 5% bonus, for example.
Look. I did that. I created that. I'm still waiting for the API keys. Okay, so I need to show my screen. So, wow, so beautiful. So cool. Look, you go there. The ID, the holders connect the ID, blah, blah, blah. So basically we can have, Text PFP, Twitter PFP, YouTube PFP. Oh, Risha, can you build it?
I'll tell you to build it.
Oh, fuck. Oh, you're dev.
No, I just give you ideas.
No, you're dev.
Well, you just use ChatGPT.
That's what I do, bro.
Yeah, just send an
Sometimes the
API
code
to
is
ChatGPT. Does
Yeah.
this image belong to the Decod3rs NFTs?
Oh,
And if it says yes, give it a multiplier. If it says no, send them an angry email.
I know where you live. I will find you. I will, yeah, you know, like
Not
the-
that
I will-
angry, but
No, like you know the meme that we have on Discord.
yeah.
Oh, we can do everything. Oh, I need to add that to my to-do list.
Well, you can also, when you're logged
check.
in on the Decod3rs website, on the top right, you see your PFP, right?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
the
Yeah. If it
Ooh.
isn't the Decod3rs PFP, just change it to the angry one.
oh.
But you need to build the recognition mechanism.
Yeah,
right?
that's
Because
why
this
you
is
can
just
use
simply
ChatGPT.
pulling an image from Discord.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh no, it can be on the app, right? Yeah, but like no, so it still have to recognize. I don't know. Oh, NFT Inspect is doing it. I'll probably check the.
They are. They are.
There was the
automatically-
app or the extension that was recognizing Twitter PFPs, right?
Yes.
How
Yeah.
did that
So
work? You
exactly.
had to cache all the collections and then kind of compare the images.
like, what the fuck?
What-
That's
what-
that's tricky as fuck. That's how.
yeah, because you need to have them all downloaded, and then
Yeah.
what happens when the booster packs come out?
Mhm.
Because then you have
Yes.
like multiple different variations of each NFT. And you need to
Exactly.
have,
Plus,
like
yeah.
compare like 100,000 images each of the PFP.
plus, like for
It might
event,
take a while.
yes. like the you know the fact that we have male and female version, it's tricky as fuck. But maybe you can, like the same way you can add a tag to ChatGPT to like flag the fact that it's an AI video. You can put a meta tag in the image, but yeah, Twitter will probably like fucked it up. You know, in the metadata of the
compresses-
image. Yeah,
It doesn't
compressed
use
and
the
everything.
original
But maybe it can work
picture.
though.
Like the easiest way would be to put a QR code in the corner of the PFP.
Yeah, I would just put it in my own.
Yeah, exactly. Plus, like if you put
yeah,
like a a teacup, like from the GM stuff or meme generator, then you fucked up the whole stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, just check your warm. Check your warm location, Vince. Let's read you. I have to do it after the streams. Walking, see cups. That's what I'm talking
Much
about.
better.
Yes, that's perfect.
See. No, not this one. This one should. Okay, cool. Thank you, Caps. I appreciate your patience. Okay. Oh, I'm studying to become a blockchain dev. Would you guys recommend me to do an internship in Web3 space, remote, or go to a trade camp? How would you start Web3 dev?
You just say that you can do it, take a job, and then panic on how to do it and deliver it in time working.
Yeah, just start messing around on DevNet
Yeah.
and find a project that doesn't have many requirements and practically no budget, so they will have low expectations, and then you just kind of wing it, and
Exactly.
it probably will work out.
Yeah, it's like like when people want to learn how to code, just code your personal website.
Yeah, just start trying.
Yeah.
And open ChatGPT and ask how should I code my website? Bro, like
Google a lot of
ChatGPT.
stuff.
Yeah, no, ChatGPT a lot of stuff because they will give you the answer. And
Does
honestly,
it work
this
for Solana? Deving?
oh,
Not really.
That's harder.
it give you some clues.
Yeah, there's a decent amount of YouTube videos
Yeah.
that show you how to publish a candy machine and
Yeah.
all of that.
Oh, and yeah, by the way, if you want to learn about stuff, go to YouTube and search for Midi. Midi is your way to go. You watch all of those videos. All of those videos from George is coming soon. Kakan, yes, drop videos. Boom. To do that. Okay, cool. Okay, so basically SEO could be a good product. We should do it. We're gonna do it. Let's go. That's what's up. We have the resource internally to do it. So I'm excited about that. It's cool.
Looking forward to seeing the video skyrocket.
That's gonna be nice. And looks like Twitter that definitely become like a pay to win because we are 80 viewers. Yeah. It's probably coming from Twitter. Maybe I will keep the fucking subscription though. Even if we don't have the affiliate.
Well, other people viewing, is it also counting on the YouTube views? So
now it's like multicast. That's another stuff that I will have to talk. But like multi-streaming could be interesting for us to grow like viewership and stuff. Because right now on YouTube, I have 26 live viewers. So all of the other ones are on Twitter. In the chat, like if you are on Twitter, can you please comment on Twitter so we can also get like more impressions? So if you are on Twitter, please let us know. And if you are on YouTube, comment too, so we can get picked up on the algo. Everyone in the chat, like all of the 80 people, I want 80 message. I'm on YouTube, I'm on Twitter, blah, blah, blah.
Well, you can see the little icon next to their PFP. For where
yes.
they are coming from, right?
I know, but I want them to comment. Don't tell them.
Yeah. They need to leave a message at least, so we can see.
Exactly. Yeah, no, exactly. Yeah, app. Yeah, okay. So YouTube, yeah, we'll see. But multi-streaming could be interesting for the growth. That's I was thinking about that today. But okay, another technical topic that we can talk about before George is coming up, and we talk about tax token and stuff, like the metadata of decoders are hosted on Amazon. I know, but like in 2021, when Decod did the same stuff, they were putting the images and the link of the metadata directly on Amazon because they wanted like to like play with the image and upgrade and stuff like that. It was already planned, right? So they got like some backlash at that time. Right now, nobody cares. But like the performances between Web 2 and Web 3 and to update metadata and stuff, it's way more easier in Web 2.
Yes.
This is Web 3. Like, yeah, do you have a preference? Like, would you not buy an NFT that have metadata on S3 bucket?
Why not?
Okay. I don't think people care.
No, I don't think most people even know what it is.
Exactly.
It doesn't.
No, we should go for it.
Yeah, they can't really see the difference. They just care that the NFT is in their wallet. If it's linked to Rwave or Amazon, they don't really. Yeah. They wouldn't find the difference. There's no difference for the normal user.
I would even bet if you ask them to check the metadata, they go to Magic Eden.
Yeah, or open it in their wallet and just tell you the trades.
Yeah, that's also possible.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you like to the how that works. Okay, so metadata, you go here. So you have all of that. Mm-hmm. Okay, in the chat, have you already been in the metadata tab on SourceScan? I want to know that, but like, yeah, we're gonna have to show you. And basically, you can view the URL, and that it's where the metadata is stored. And when you click here, boom, it's the JSON file, and it's basically the website. It's a subdomain of the website, and that stuff is redirected to a S3 bucket. There is a S3 bucket. Like S3 bucket is like a storage. It's like a server when I can store images on Amazon. Like if you do that.
I'm just waiting for the first company, the NFT project that gets his bucket hacked and people just change the JSON.
Don't give them ID, bro. Who is Chick doing? Yes, this one.
Because how many times does it update? Is it almost instant?
Yeah, because I killed the cache for the
okay.
For the image. DNS
Oh,
code.
because you can switch between male and female.
Exactly. Yeah. And try swap. So yeah, see, like AWS DNS, it's for Amazon, and that's the IP. Yeah, CloudFront, all of that is like behind Amazon DNS stuff. But okay, so basically back to this one, you have the link of the metadata, and okay, so and here you have the image. You have the image that is currently loaded, and same thing. It's like, oh, you don't see the path. You don't see the path, right? Shit, I was showing up. Oh, I was not showing up the right screen. And you don't see the URL. Shit, how can I show that?
You want to show the bucket URL?
Yes, because I showed that, right?
Yeah.
And yeah. Okay, my explanation, it's not clear. Okay, so basically, okay, this path, so metadata.decoders, you can find it here, right? And when I click on it, then I'm redirected to that file that have all of the metadata. And here you can see the path metadata, blah, 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 still on Amazon. And when I change it, then you have access to the image. So on a normal NFT, like for example, A626, I don't know how they do that. So am I showing the right? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So cool. Okay. Metadata, same thing. And here, okay. So this one is on IPFS, which is like a Web3 storage. Mm-hmm. It's exactly the same fucking thing, except that generate on it's not on chain, but is it? Wait.
You can't edit it, right?
Yes,
once you upload the file, you have to update the NFT link, not the file.
Exactly.
So, yeah. So that's the main difference, I guess.
Yeah. But yeah, like you need to validate a transaction to edit these files. For TradeSwap, for me, like I just need to edit like the S3 result.
And still, the only difference is that you need to do a verification in your wallet. But
yes,
the file is on the server as well.
Exactly, and the same thing. The image then it's loaded on the blockchain. That the path is on IPFS too. That's it. That's the only difference. But yeah, performance are better too, I think, than compared to Web3.
Even if you want, you can put you can put up multiple servers or whatever, just to make sure that's online always.
True. Yeah, but like I can shut down my AWS account and then you lose your NFT.
Yeah. But that also happens with the other one. If they have an issue or they have a downtime, then it's offline.
A downtime on what?
On their servers. Where the rain file was stored.
Yeah, no, but it's on IPFS.
It goes down, yeah.
Yeah,
it's an
if it
IPFS
goes
link.
down, you lose it as well.
But IPFS is not shutting down, right?
No, it's not.
Yeah, right.
But still, it is.
Amazon is probably going to be online as well.
But I don't get the difference. Yeah, I know what the difference is. People say, okay, you need to do a verification with your wallet. But eventually, it is a JSON file that is on an external server. And the server is hosted somewhere. And that's it. And even if you have access directly to the server, you can log in, then you can change the JSON file without doing a transaction, and it updates the NFT.
Yes, that's what I did, basically, for like the NFT that are like different colors of hair. Like I didn't change the NFT, I just changed the file in the API.
So I don't get why people want to do it the Web3 way. The Web2 way is much easier.
Yeah, honestly, kind of everything is easier in Web2.
Yeah, everything is Web2, but don't tell the people who are proud of building Web3 pods.
Exactly.
It is the same infrastructure.
Yeah, true. Yeah, no, 100%, 100%. You can update on Tensor. What are you talking about, Caps? I don't understand. What are you updating on Tensor? Okay, I need for you another second comment, and I'm not farming your comments. I need more details. Okay. So, okay. Wait. I want to show you something of what I did for rug check views for views. So for views, you need to lock down. Oh, what? It disconnected. Is that loading? Oh no.
We don't see the screen again.
Oh yes. Yeah. I can definitely do that. Thank you, Risha.
Is the Web2 hosting cheaper than Web3? How much does it cost to upload?
Right now, I have 5,000 grand on Amazon, so I'm not paying shit.
So but you got it at like a bonus or something, right?
Yes.
How much would it normally cost to upload, let's say, a 10K collection?
A few cents.
Few cents? And that's one-time cost, or do you pay like monthly or?
So I think you would pay for cloud front, but it's really minimal, bro. Like it's
it
nothing.
Depends on the Amazon product. You have some pockets and some products where it is cheap to store, but every time that you want to update, download, you pay for the data, and the data is much more expensive than just have it sitting there. So when you store backups, it's perfect. You can store a lot of backup files really cheaply, but as soon as you need to deploy your backup, you download it, and that's when you start to pay heavily.
Okay, because to upload a 10K collection to our wave on Web3, the Web3 way, it's like 5 Sol.
Yeah.
And with Solana, and it's usually around 2 Sol per 1,000 NFTs. So with Solana at these prices, it's starting to get kind of expensive if you want to launch a project. It definitely eats into your budget, and if you manage to store it elsewhere, then you save yourself like $150 for every.
I see a new perfect project. We will just start Web2 servers, different providers, Amazon and whatever. Put a load balancer in front of it. When you store something, it's stored on 2 different providers, and if one goes offline, the load balancer will direct you to the other. It's 24/7 online, and we do it for 10% of the normal price.
Yeah.
I mean,
and then we go sit on the beach somewhere.
But the metadata, like the Metaplex, they optimized the uploader, and like now I don't know exactly what they do that, but like it's way cheaper than setting up a candy machine like in 2021 for 10K collection. Right, Risha, right? Like the sugar.
With compressed NFTs, right?
Yeah. No, but even. Oh yeah, maybe
the sugar's still expensive.
Yeah. Okay. Fair enough. Caps, updating the metadata on Tensor, like
it should only be possible if you hold the owner wallet, right?
Yeah.
I don't think you can update it. I think it means that if you update the metadata, that they change on Tensor as well.
Oh yeah. It changed everywhere, right? Like because it's loading the image everywhere.
Yeah,
so
it's great the data.
Yeah. So like if you refresh, all of the listings should be loaded, because again, like between the image and yes.
Yeah, so every time you open an NFT on secondary, it just downloads the data from wherever you have it stored on.
Yes. Yeah. So when we're changing gender? Yes. So basically, I killed the cache on Amazon to take like more times when you swap it. So on SourceScan, it's basically instant, and the metadata loaded from Magic Eden and all of the Tensor and stuff, it should be faster. Even if now I have the endpoint to refresh the metadata on the fly, so I will have to put the listings metadata refresher function into the own API. So every time you do thread swap, then boom, I send to Tensor and Magic Eden please refresh the cache for that NFTs. So there is that. But okay, so I did something for views because views. So to check if it's not a rug, so you have to do a couple of things. Okay, I will show you on Bird Eyes. Because right now, like the flags are about like LP LP standard, so we don't have like we don't have an LP yet, so that's why it's a danger. But bird eye, boom, views. Okay, and I'm gonna open the safety checks that. Okay, so mutable information. So now it's not mutable anymore, but the JSON file is on Amazon.
Oh, that's a good thing to watch out for.
Exactly. So like,
you are rocking the system. Scamming
you
the
go
system.
there,
in the shitcoin part of the bull run, it's definitely a good thing to know so you can check where the metadata file is stored on.
Exactly. So I'm gonna share this screen now. So tag, same thing, we have metadata, and if you check so that's like where see, metadata decoders. So you have the name, the symbol, etc., and you check the real metadata, and it's metadata decoders views / metadata. And then I have that the same stuff on the same server. So I pass all of the check here, but I can change the information. And basically, it can be used for people like to launch a coin, and you rename the coin, you rename the token, you rename everything, but you still have all of the validators information validate on Jupyter, etc.
Yeah.
But we're doing that because we're legit. But like I said, okay, let's do it for the NFTs. So let's do it for the token too. But that's be careful with the shitcoin world, by the way.
If we next week see that Jupyter is going to update that you need to use their servers, then we know why. We give you a star next to your name if you use our service to store your metadata.
That could be, they have to check if it's a Arweave or like decentralized a PFS link. They have to have the check. But no, don't do that because it's legit.
And then we can still try to see if we can copy the name in the URL and see if they check the whole URL or just the name. Decod3rs.com.
The same way they blacklist some tokens, right? Like, you have like the whitelist list of token, and then you have the whitelist domain name. Same thing for Phantom and Soulflare, right? When they flag a URL that is not in the whitelist, then they get flagged. You get flagged by default, and then they authorize you to be displayed normally.
You have to be put on the whitelist.
Yeah, but please whitelist us. We're good. we're part of the good guys. Everyone, like in the chat, like, is that clear? What we are talking about? That makes bro. Like, there is 100 viewers.
Nice. It's great.
So it's coming from Twitter. I need to keep this fucking gold check mark.
How much was it? It was a grand
$200 a month, bro, and I can have affiliate. I don't want to pay 1,000 for Twitter, man.
Yeah, I thought it was 1,000. 200 is not that bad.
Yeah, but I wanted affiliate stuff, and also you get boosted. I think you get boosted if you're like a gold, but $1,000, bro.
Yeah,
Elon wants to be rich.
But if they bring like 500 viewers,
that's interesting. That could be it. That could be it. Fuck. It's a pay to win, bro.
It is, yeah.
Fuck. I need to check with Alex Finn if he can tell me if the gold badge is like mandatory or not. Okay, that's something else for the to-do list. DM Alex Finn for gold badge. Okay, back to technical point. Okay, so we talk about the metadata. So you personally, you don't care, and it's even smart to do it, right?
Yeah, It's really smart. And how late is Smitty joining?
I don't know, bro. Like,
it's a surprise for you as well.
Yeah, it was supposed to join like 15 minutes ago. I miss him so much, bro. I miss him so much. But that's okay. Yeah, he will come like next month, or even like during the next Smithy show. because I want to highlight his videos and stuff. That's good. I like what he's doing, so it's cool. Yeah, other topic, like if you want, we can talk about Layer-0.
Yeah, maybe one last thing to the Web 2 versus Web 3 metadata. Magic Eden caches the metadata to their Web 2 solution anyway. So even if the collection is Web 3, they still cache it. And I know the caching is kind of annoying because they keep it for a long time and then they don't really refresh it that often. So, and at one point they got compromised and all the images of NFTs changed into basically porn and memes. So how Magic Eden was just memes. If you checked your NFT on SoulScan or in your wallet, it was fine. But on if you opened up your profile on Magic Eden, it was just all memes and NSFW pictures.
Oh, I can't show the link again. But yeah, it's basically image.cdn.magiceden.dev.
Yeah, they add your URL at the end.
Yeah.
So even if your favorite project is using Web3 solution, Magic Eden still makes it to Web 2.
I sometimes use the Magic Eden links for the images because some servers are not loaded into Discord, and if you abuse the Magic Eden URL, it works perfectly for the image.
Okay, is Tensor doing the same thing? Metadata, yeah, prod image, CDN, Tensor,
Probably,
yeah. But it's normal because they have thousands of images to load, right? So obviously they're gonna use they can
just use the Web3 solution, right? They could offload the load on their servers to just pull the images from
but the performances are kind of shit.
Yeah.
I think
there's no solution to that.
If you are like displaying the images directly to IPFS or Arweave, like you have to have, especially if you are a marketplace, right? Because you're displaying thousands of like images, and you have to look for you have to have a CDN, I think.
Yeah, I know that I was doing a reveal for one project.
Exactly.
I was doing a reveal for one project, and I ran the reveal. It completed, and like only half of the collection was revealed on Magic Eden. So people could see their NFTs in their wallet. But if they wanted to sell that NFT and they list it, the listing would show an unrevealed NFT. So the potential buyer would have to go and go to SoulScan or somewhere else to check how the NFT actually looks like. And I know for some of the NFTs it took up to like 6 hours to refresh.
Shit.
So it was really bad because people are wondering why their NFT is unrevealed on Magic Eden. Like when I'm saying that all of them are successfully revealed. And at the time there was no other solution that to just wait. It was like 1.5 years ago.
Shit.
But it's great that they offer the API that you said that you can force the refresh.
Exactly. Yeah. So there is that. But I had to contact Magic Eden. They give me the API keys, please. Create the API keys, and then they had to activate it. And so I have the keys for Magic Eden, Sniper, and Tensor now. So I just need like one endpoint, and then it will be all refreshed, which could be cool because ThreadsSwap is coming. Tonight I'm going back to coding, so I can put that. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. I have. By the way, if you want to use ThreadsSwap, because you want to use ThreadsSwap, I have to stop that. The share. Don't forget, we have the booster pack, Decod3rs booster pack, Decod3rs booster pack. It's really cheap. People are not really buying it, so you should buy your own booster pack if you don't have a booster pack, because you can like use it for having variation of colors. You can have blue, red, or yellow. If you buy the clothing hoodie, and then you're gonna burn that, get your hoodie in other colors, and then boom, that's what's up.
Do we still have some limited edition booster packs for sale?
Yeah. I see there is one like here. This one, clothing Amsterdam, BP 2023. Shit, I haven't done shit with that since 2023.
But when does the developer do something? When can we start trading?
I know, but yeah, like it was, like a little mint after to use the view after the mint. It was cool. We time out the RPC right away twice.
Yeah, I call that a success.
Exactly, 100%. I think it makes sense to have a mix of Web 2 and Web 3 solution. Use the tech that is optimized for the use case in various aspects.
Yes.
True, Kakan. Yes, exactly. And Kakan, if you comment again, I will ask you to change your PFP to a decoders. If you don't have one, you have to sweep the floor. But yeah, thank you for your participation in this live streams.
Yeah, it makes sense to just use whatever works in your specific scenario.
Yeah, exactly.
Always.
Because again, in the chat, tell us who were aware of metadata. I know Risha, you love metadata. You love tracking people on from one wallet to another. I know you love that. Jas is also doing that on his spare time.
Jas is the detective over here.
Exactly.
Yeah, I don't think people really care. So just use whatever works for you.
Yeah, as long as the floor is pumping and we're going to Tensor. Use everything you want. Okay, Layer-0. What do you know about that? The Layer-0 stuff.
Okay, now it's time for Risha. My knowledge is pretty low.
Okay.
Yeah, I was just about to say that you'll probably have more things to say.
Okay. This was a dev show. We were supposed to inform people.
I kinda gave you the talking point yesterday.
Yeah. You have two options. You can either use a CX or DX, like a centralized or decentralized solution. You can either use an exchange like Binance, Coinbase, all the other ones to just deposit and then do withdraw on whatever chain you need to use, or you can use a DEX that usually is a platform where you log in, you deposit from one wallet, and you switch over to the new wallet, and you withdraw it on from a new wallet. The advantages of that is there is no KYC usually on the decentralized solutions. So it gives you some advantages of not being completely tracked, but you should still probably declare it on your taxes.
Yeah, and eventually it all works when your money is still online. But if you want to take money out, you need a KYC.
Yep.
And then everything is related and tracked because they know from what wallet you have sent the money.
Well, if you bridge it between chains, it's very hard to track.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so how do you track?
Launder money, basically.
This is the moment when I give a perfect answer. People know what we do.
How do you track money that go from one chain to another with the Layer-0? Exactly.
No, you can't. The government would have to reach out to the solution that you used.
Yeah.
And because the data, the connection between the two wallets from two different blockchains is only existent on probably Web2 database on the DEX side, right?
Yeah.
So they would have to reach out to, for example, Fixed Float is one of the big bridges, and they would have to provide them with my Solana wallet and Bitcoin wallet so they can track the transaction across different chains.
Yeah. But Tornado, the FBI turned, okay, so it's not Layer-0 shit, but Tornado Cash, they shut down Tornado Cash, right?
Yeah, because they couldn't track the transactions. They wouldn't.
So they just say, okay, Tornado
with
Cash, fuck off.
Yeah. Once the DEX gets big enough to get some attention, I guess that's either they have to comply with the regulations or they have to disappear or rename themselves and just be a different name.
Why you not instead of Tornado Cash, you call it Sharknado Money?
I think well, there's always a solution.
Yeah.
They shut down one and they're another 4 gets graded.
Okay, so Layer-0, if you don't want to launder money, you can use it to transaction from one chain to another and have more liquidity, right? So all of that work is, are they escrowing like the money and generate, like, for example, if you want to send USDT from ETH to Sol, do they keep the USDT on the ETH side in an escrow contract and give you USDT in the escrow contract on Sol?
Maybe just send them the USDT on ETH and they just give it to you on Sol. And probably once they get low on USDT on Solana, they go to somebody else to swap it out for them.
Oh, you can provide liquidity?
Well, they use the public pools probably, or they go to like Coinbase or Binance to trade it OTC with them.
Oh yeah, because obviously you can.
There's no point bridging like $100 back and forth from those chains. They just keep it on ETH until they have too much USDT on ETH and they don't need it anymore. So they then go and swap it in one big transaction to balance out the input and output sides.
But you could even like have, again, your community to provide liquidity from Solana side and use that liquidity provided by people, and you give them like I don't know, like 5%, whatever APY, right? Yeah. Can you do that? That's cool. I love that.
Like a multi-chain
laundering money
liquidity pool. No. Is there an easy solution to create a multi-chain liquidity pool?
Yeah, that's cool.
Is there?
Oh, is that was the question?
Yeah, that was a question,
I don't know, but that would have been. I can see that as a product. No, am I wrong?
Yeah.
Mitchell, what do you think about it?
As far as I know, they just have ETH pools, Solana pools, and you put the money in one and take it out of the other, and they charge you the transaction cost. Because I've been on some swaps where I wasn't able to swap everything because one of the pools was almost empty.
Yeah.
And then they just they disable the functionality and say you need to wait and come back later.
Okay. Yeah, they often shut down the more demanding sides of the pool.
Yeah.
Like you see a lot of money is migrating. Sorry.
You see it a lot on the gaming coins. They come out on Avalanche, and then people can bridge it to BNB or to ETH. And that's the moment when the pools run out, because everybody is bridging to be the first on another decentralized exchange for setting up a liquidity pool and make a lot of money.
Yeah. Is there any way of doing that for views? If we go cross-chain, that would be the way to go, right? Like if we want the views liquidity to exist everywhere, we mint in every chain 21 million, but then we escrow views on Wormhole or stuff and let people choose where they want to go, right?
Yeah,
but they would deposit it on Solana and withdraw it on Polygon, for example.
Yeah.
That's what, didn't Decod3rs do something like that? That you could bridge your dust?
Yeah. Yeah, like you can bridge your dust on ETH, but like everyone keep their dust liquidity on Sol.
There's no point in having it on ETH,
Yeah, you can pay more transaction fee, that's it.
Yeah, that's it. That was the utility.
Sounds great.
That was, bro, like Pond Parlor, when you claim you dust, that's what they did, like claim at once, right? Like you don't claim you dust 5 dust by 5 dust. You claim when you have like before they close it, by the way. Basically, you claim all at once and then you pay for one each transaction, which is okay. We can talk about that too, because we have like 30 seconds before 1 hour show, but like okay, that's interesting. Bro, we went so fast. It run out like. And so happy to have George on the show. It changed everything. Torchain with real as multi-chain liquidity pool.
Now you need to say it. He still doesn't have the Decod3rs PFP.
I can. What the fuck are you doing?
Get this man a decoder.
I can. We need to talk. Stefan, have
a good point.
Soon
the walk to earn gaming app.
Oh yeah. Have that token GMT share on main chain like you would like to do with views. Yeah, okay, makes sense. But like, what that brings you to the project? Like, yeah, basically it's acquisition, right? Like you bridge your audience. Yeah, that's what I liked.
But I have a stupid noob question then. If you have 21 million tokens on Solana and 21 million on ETH,
Exactly.
if I bridge everything to Solana, does that mean I double my capacity?
No.
No, because
No, because
then it's crawled.
If you had 1 million views on Solana, you send them to a wallet, they get locked up, and
Yes.
1 million that gets unlocked on the other chain.
Yeah, you never increase the total amount.
Exactly.
Yes. Yeah.
We could do that for the NFTs too. But like, what would be the point of like having a decoders on ETH?
Exactly.
Pay more
that was
in
the question.
fees.
Yeah, exactly. So basically, you go to Polygon, but then you don't give a shit about Polygon because there's no volume.
No, the only reason to put it on a different chain is that the chain has tag that's better than on Solana. You want to do an integration that's not possible on Solana, but you need the NFT on that chain. That's the moment that you bridge. But otherwise, I would not know why you want to bridge.
You could keep the NFTs on Solana and just connect two different wallets to the website.
Yeah.
Like you could have.
That's a Web2 solution. Just store the wallets in the database and connect them.
That's what I have on the app, right?
Yeah.
Like you connect your wallet, I save the list of your wallet, everything is saved on the MongoDB database, and then you can watch to earn on Sol, on Sol, on ETH, on Polygon, on whatever. And yeah, that's the idea. That's the concept.
Yeah. So bridging is not needed. It's only expensive.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, George, I don't know where you are, George. It's so sad. I missed you, bro. You should see the replay, George. You have been missed. Yes, and okay. Last topic before, like, because we are around like this ETH fee stuff. Magic Eden on OKDogs Mint, they kind of kill it because they kill it the good way, because they optimize the contract to reduce the fees, right? Which is cool. Like by doing the good work on that and optimizing the contract. Do you know how that works? Like to reduce the fees?
No. So what did they optimize?
I think, for my understanding, one day we need to invite someone who know what the fuck how to dev all of that shit.
It depends on the contract complexity, right?
Yeah, exactly. It's the size of the contract, right? Like if your contract is unoptimized, then it costs more time to compute by ETH, so it costs you more gas. So you're fucked. And Magic Eden did this means the right way. So it costs you like $30 to mint 4 dogs, basically.
So it's kind of like CNFTs on ETH.
But yeah, yes. Oh, it's a compressed contract.
Because there's less data needed for the.
Yeah,
NFT
exactly. I think that's what they. Okay, we need to invite tech guys. I want Matt to come on this dev show.
People don't know something about the ETH contract. Yeah. Because on each contract, on each transaction, you can put in only a max amount of signs. So if you make the contract smaller, then you could put in more contracts for the same price, and the average price goes down.
Yeah, exactly. And that's why I'm so happy I'm still doing Web 2.5, because I don't need to manage that shit. Because you need to pay, bro. You need to pay to upgrade your contract. Fuck that shit, man. Like, like you can't do that.
FTPs into a server and change it by hand.
Like you can do that for a $50 collection. You have to be like even like for me on the Flow protocol, like to get like earn like fractionalize my NFT and stuff. Like you can do that for one NFT that was like $1,000, because that's not even worth it. To get like 10% APY on that. You need to do it 6 figures to make it sense. Like what the fuck? Yeah. Anyway. Like I think we should rewrite ETH all 3 together in the room and to fix everything.
People already did that. That's called Solana.
Yeah. Just rename Solana to ETH.
Yeah, exactly.
And bring all the
look.
liquidity here.
Oh, first, yes, perfect.
Nice.
See, with
Welcome
Decod3rs
aboard.
is taking over. I'm not joking.
Yes.
Look at this beautiful chat now. We fixed the chat. One stream by one stream. So we converted cups. We converted kakan. We converted Look, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh, is that the same PFP? Okay, no, it's not. It's not the same PFP. But
No,
like, good job. But it's great. Okay, guys. Yeah, we are already over the hours. We talk about like everything except George video. He will have to wait next month.
Yeah, no special booster with his logo. He didn't show up.
True.
Because that
Sad.
is eventually possible, right? People who want can get a booster.
I kind of
Oh,
like
is
that,
that-
bro.
Wasn't not allowed to say anything.
The what?
Wasn't not allowed to say it.
To say what? The booster about what?
That he has his bunny in his logo, right? Or is it a bunny? Yeah, it's some kind of weird alien bunny.
So it's not a bunny. Like the first thumbnails was like when I generated the thumbnail with ChatGPT. I took the bunny and then I asked him confirmation, and it's like it's a shrimp.
Okay, well.
Close enough.
It's yeah,
Oh,
it's
that's a
shrimp.
perfect ending. Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, like we can like it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. Like I want to give him like the SEO page for Smitty. I want to give him like trade and stuff. That's gonna be nice. But yeah, we can talk about all of that in the next dev show.
Yes.
Do you have anything you want to add? Like anything specific or anything you want to talk about?
I don't have any specific.
Okay. Risha, any takeaway from these streams for the people to understand the metadata?
Yeah, if people have any tech questions that they want us to go deeper on or try to explain in
Good job.
not technological phrases, like for people to easily understand, then by any means give us a DM. Our
Yes.
DMs are open, or give us suggestions in tickets or anywhere you can reach us, and we'll probably in the next show try to
Yes.
help you guys, because we don't have that many topics on the backlog that we want to go through. We just usually come up with them a couple days before. Anything that happens new, yeah. So anything that happens that people maybe not understand or they want to know more of, then give us suggestions for sure.
Exactly. Yes, do that. Just don't tag me. DM Risha.
Yeah, sure. I'll put it on a list.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want to understand anything about Web3 and stuff, tag Risha, DM Risha, send him a DM on Twitter, everywhere. Like show up to his house, everywhere. Like yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then eventually we'll get to it in our bi-monthly. So maybe in 2 weeks or in 2 months.
Yeah. Exactly. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for your participation. That was cool. Thank you everyone on Twitter that watched the show. Thanks everyone who changed their PFP on YouTube. Let's go. That was up. Let's go. No, bro, I'm doing streams just to make people change their PFP. That's cool.
Converting 5 people at a time.
Yeah.
See, Kakan, yes, loves the dev show. Looking forward to the next one. I hope you learn anything cool during the show. That's what we're doing. And let's go. Yes, that's what's
awesome.
up. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. We will see you in the next streams tomorrow for Scriber News Show. Thanks and bye-bye. Peace.
Thanks for coming, guys.
Bye.